Hello everyone, welcome back to programming with me. In this particular video tutorial, we will write a code to find out largest of three numbers. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, I will create a public method. Public void. I will keep this method as a static so that we can use it inside our main method. So public static void method we will create. I'll give name as a find largest of three, and we'll need three numbers: int a, int b, and int c. So we will use for loop for this particular program. So first we will check whether a is greater than b or c. It can be equal to as well. So first we'll check if a is greater than equal to b and a is greater than equal to c. So suppose a is greater than b and c as well, then it should be the largest number. So we will print largest number is, and then we will attach a here. So this will print that a is our largest number. Now in second else if condition, we will check b is greater than a and c or not. So b is greater than equal to c, or and then b is greater than equal to a. So if this condition is true, then b will become the largest number. I will just copy paste this particular out statement here. And instead of a, I will use b. So here we will check b is greater than c and b is greater than a. If it's the correct thing, then it will print this particular statement. And in last else, it will print that c is the largest. So in this way, we can check whether which particular element is largest of three elements. Let's create a main method to check whether our program is working or not. I will declare three variables. A I will keep as a 56, and b is I will keep as a 38, and I will create int c as 20. So as per our logic, the program should print c as a smallest number. Sorry, c as a as a largest number. So let's find out. We'll pass all three variables here now, and I will execute the program. Now it should give 56 as the largest element. Let's check the output. Here you can see it is giving 56 as the largest element. If I change C to 88, now it should print 88 is the largest number. So let's execute the program again. So here you can see it is giving 88 is the largest number. So in this particular way, you can check the largest of three numbers. That's it for this particular video. We will meet you in the next video.